I secured it in the middle because if you secure the ends, they might not meet up. So you want to leave the ends to the last so that you can meet the joints much more easily. It's easier to tack it up first, get it in place, and then to put it in its final position at the joints. See how if you wait till the end, meaning the end where the joints meet, how it's important so that you're able to still move it? Being able to move it is very important, because there's a lot of flex in this stuff. So you want to be able to move it as necessary until it's in its final position. Okay, there you have it. Now, I don't like the way that one is sitting. If you look closely, you'll see that there's a little bit of a reveal. I hate black lines. See this black line? Now, when I was doing mostly painting, carpenters would leave that for me to fix, and I really wouldn't like it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a shim up here to bring this wood out a little bit so that it meets better. Okay, Just so you know, you can always put a shim behind it. Look how perfectly this one meets. See how nice that is? But on the other side, you have that black line. So I'm going to address that with a shim. This way, you have to make the wood go where you want it to go, not where it wants itself to go. You know what I mean? Okay. So this is Spencer on his construction channel. Thank you for watching. Click on like, subscribe to my channel, and make a comment in the video section. Thanks very much.